Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher or silverware basket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new silverware basket. The silverware basket is where you put your silverware in the dishwasher. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull the lower rack out. We have access to the silverware basket. All you have to do is lift it out and pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old silverware basket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new silverware basket in, all you have to do is lower it down and hook it onto the rack. Once you have it in, we can push the lower rack back in, close the dishwasher door. Plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.